What's up, you guys? It's your boy Henry, and today we're talking NIO stock. It has been so good to our family, and this stock is on a Virgin Galactic flight and just posted $20 per share with ease on the chart. Shares of our Chinese electric vehicle maker NIO touched over $22 per share Wednesday on some nice stock and heavy options volume. I invested $25,000 a while ago at $11 per share and doubled my investment. You can check out that video right here. Basically, it's moving up more because of a bullish note from a key Wall Street analyst. So in this video, we're going to talk about the analyst's comments, Q2 earnings, and what I see happening with this stock, technically looking at the chart together. Yes, me and you. Last, I will drop a price target I think this Tesla of China could get. Are you ready to get stupid rich? By the way, make sure you like the smash button and join the dopest family on YouTube here. Hit that subscribe button. Deutsche Bank analyst Edison Yu reiterated his buy rating in a $24 price target on NIO shares with some new and bullish commentary. I've been saying this is easily a $20 stock for a few months now, and we are finally here. Here is what the analyst had to say, writing in response to concerns that NIO's brand isn't yet as strong as those of Tesla and the German luxury car maker. You said that's true, but argued that NIO is on track to draw similar levels of excitement and consumer loyalty in time. So my response to this is obviously NIO's brand is not there yet. Tesla has a major head start, as do other luxury German manufacturers, so nobody said that NIO has the same brand strength. That's the reason they are worth under $30 billion and a fraction of the other makers. So I fully agree with Yu's response and commentary in this regard. Let's keep going with the second commentary. Yu argued that there's compelling evidence of a growing number of Chinese consumers who see NIO as a brand with top-level customer service and technology. 62% of new NIO buyers are referred by NIO owners, he wrote. And the brand's quality appears to have improved significantly since a costly recall back in 2019. Guys, I can't emphasize how important this piece of information is and how excited I am for the future of NIO. The reason is because Tesla's secret weapon is their marketing. What the research is showing is that NIO owners are referring other people to buy the car. Henry, what's the big deal with a referral? If you own a business, you know how important referrals are. This is free marketing and brings you new customers at no cost. I've also mentioned something called a network effect in my previous videos. A network effect is when more people join an app, platform, or purchase something like a product, and there are more people on that platform using that product as more people join that platform or product. I gave you an example before where Uber wasn't so useful when it had only 20 drivers on the app because that was a slow service and they might not even be in your city if you're a customer. But with millions of people, there's almost a certainty that there is a driver around you, which attracts new customers because they know the service is very reliable. So basically, NIO, in my opinion, will only grow as more people buy more NIO vehicles, and the cycle will build and make the company a lot of money. You know what else is a lot of money? Webull promotion, which gives you 2 stocks. So you deposit just $100 into your account. They are really stepping up their game, and I think it's a great opportunity for you to take advantage. I have a link in my description. All right, let's discuss Q2 earnings from Tuesday. The company's quarterly sales ramped up during the quarter. Its second quarter loss shrank to roughly 173 million in US dollars after I converted from Chinese yuan. That is much better than the 500 million they lost just a year earlier. In fact, the company is losing less and less money 4 quarters consecutively. Kind of like how Tesla reported 4 quarters of straight profit consecutively. You see a pattern here? And speaking of patterns, I think it's time we look at the technical charts because I just want to go over the 30 and the 60-day moving averages and draw some trend lines for the stock. All right, you guys, so we're gonna be looking at the chart for NIO, and here is NIO stock in the past 3 months. What I want to do here is actually I want to look at the indicators. I want to look at both the 30-day and the 60-day moving average. So we're going to first start off with the 30-day moving average. And basically what this is saying is what the stock has been for the past 30 days on average. And if you look at this trend line, it's basically been moving upwards with NIO for the past 3 months. And oh boy, I think I already said this, but NIO is on a spaceship rocketing upwards, especially since earnings reporting that they had a narrower than expected loss. So on the 30-day chart, we're looking at 1855, and NIO is quite significantly above that, about 20%. I also want to take a look at the 60-day moving average, and this is just important because I want to compare, and I haven't actually done this before, but I want to compare the 30-day moving average to the 60-day moving average and just see what has changed on average from that time period. And as you can see here, we are from 1855 to 1587. That has been the difference within those two moving averages. What that's telling me is a lot of investors are purchasing the stock. The momentum is very strong, and the price action has just been going higher and higher. And as we can see here, for the past few days, actually, since, what day is this? I want to see this bottom out right here. Since September 24th, it's been exactly 7 days. We've been seeing an uptrend every single day for 7 days. And if you look right here, it's been green for pretty much 7 days in a row. What I see happening here is this momentum should not stop. I think we're going to have more positive momentum up as people realize that, hey, not only is the stock going up, but there's good news coming for it. So that's kind of what I see happening for the next few days. Now, we could get a reversal, kind of what we saw here, but usually if there is a reversal, you might see a double peak. And not only has it happened with NIO, this actually happened with Tesla. So if I click comparison and I put in Tesla Maesla. So if you see Tesla, it actually had a double peak here. You see how interesting that is? It had a double peak here before dipping and then retracing upwards. NIO had the same thing here where it double peaked essentially, or had a double top, similar to this one, except for this was a top for NIO. And in Tesla's case, it was just a peak, but it was not a all-time high. Whereas with NIO, these were kind of all-time highs, and we have actually broken past the all-time high, which is an indicator that the stock is really going to be moving upward more historically. I'm not saying I'm 100% sure because no one's 100% sure, but this is a very strong signal because when a stock breaks out from all-time highs, that means something has fundamentally changed. And no surprise, NIO had earnings on Wednesday, so things have fundamentally changed for the stock in terms of their financials, and investors are seeing this. So this goes back to my price target. I think I recently said that it was about $20 or $25 per share. I think it was $25, and I'm revising what I think this could be worth, which is going to be about $30 per share. So that's what I am targeting now. Again, is this going to happen in a few days? Maybe, but probably not. We're still going to have to see it go up over time and have this uptrend continue. All right, guys, I hope that was very detailed for you. NIO has come a long way in the last year. The company has overcome quality concerns, including a costly recall, a severe cash crunch, and of course a whole pandemic. Luckily, they are supported by the Chinese government, so they did get some funding. I think there is a whole lot of good stuff going on for NIO, and I think there's a whole lot for auto investors to like here. NIO is still small enough, so you should be thinking of NIO as a small and speculative investment when it comes to investing your money. They are growing a lot, and I think they have a very bright future, but it is a speculative play. Being honest with you guys, this stock doesn't really trade on fundamentals at all because for now they are still losing money. Investors are excited that this could be the next Tesla, and I think there is some possibility there. NIO just has so many good things going for it, such as referrals. The brand is getting much better, and it has so much support in the Chinese local economy. If I were to place a new price target, and I previously said it was about 20, then I said 25, I would now say they're heading towards $30 per share in the next quarter if it reports better than expected numbers. And if things really take off, we could see $50 per share next year. Either way, it's October. I have a lot of plans coming for you guys, and this course is about 30 days away for options trading, how to make weekly income trading options. I filmed module 1 and is now being edited, so I'm super excited, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Be aggressive in learning, but be safe in investing. Give me a fist bump. I'll see you tomorrow, champion.
No one ever sees me, I'm losing every battle. No one ever sees me, I'm losing every battle. No one ever sees me, I'm losing every battle. Can somebody save me?